Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add transition in OBS. Now, to add and configure transition in OBS Studio, these are the straightforward steps that you need to take. First, launch the OBS Studio application, which of course I have done right here. Then locate the scenes transition panel, which is usually found in the bottom right corner of the main OBS window. That's if you're not using the studio mode. But if you're using the studio mode, then the scene transitions panel is found in between the preview scene and the program scene, which is here. Now, you're gonna have to click on the plus icon, which is right next to quick transitions, all right, to add a new transition. So click on that. Now, select the type of transition you want to add from the list. Options include fade to black, cut, and fade. After selecting the transition type, so let's say fade. After selecting the transition type, a configuration window will appear where you can adjust the transition settings, including duration and direction. So I'm setting that, and you have this window so you can set the duration of what you want. Once you do that, that's it. Now adjust the settings if needed. For example, if you choose fade, you can set the duration of the fade effect, which is here. So click on the drop down menu and set the duration here. Okay, if you choose cut, click on this drop down menu and set the duration here. If you choose fade to black, go ahead and click on the drop down menu and set the duration here. If you want this transition to be used for all scene changes by default, ensure it is selected in the scenes transition panel, which I've shown you. So switch between scenes to see the transition in action. You can do this by clicking on different scenes in the scenes panel. So I'm heading over to my scenes panel, and I have the specific window which is on, and then I have this one as well. So if I want to transition to the chief thoughts window, I'm just going to click on transition here, and you see the fade feature or the fade transition actually appeared. Can transition again, and you'll see that it also appeared. To remove a transition, you can go ahead and click on another. So you can go ahead and click on this plus icon and choose another option from here. So that's it. You can also head over to the three dots menu and transition to duplicate scene, duplicate sources, or swap preview and program scenes after transitioning. Whichever one you choose, that's cool. Don't forget to use the slider if you want to fade gradually. This is one beautiful transition that I love so much. Now, this is it. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.